My Barberry. Okay na to. My Dolce & Gabbana. Okay na to. My Elizabeth Arden Red Door. Yum! So tempting. Okay na to. My Eternity for Women. What a scent. Okay na to. My New Coats. What a scent of flowers. Okay na to. Oh, this is my Estee Lauder. The best. Okay na to. Elizabeth Arden, Fifth Avenue. Yay! Okay na to. Victoria's Secret. I can't resist the scent. Okay na to. My RL. Okay na to. The best ka.